Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new chapter from chemistry. And the name of the chapter is Acids, Bases and Salts. What's the name of the chapter? Acids, Bases and Salts. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about acids and then bases and then what are indicators. Okay? After that, neutralization reaction, then salts. And examples of salts from daily life. These are the things we are going to discuss in this chapter. Acids and bases play an important role in our day-to-day life. Where do we find acids and bases? Tell me. Many liquids that we use in our daily life are either acidic or basic in nature. They basically contain an acid or a base. We never know they contain acids or base, right? Yes. Let us see some examples. The case of citrus fruit, that is for example lemon. It contains citric acid. Vinegar, what exactly it is? A watery liquid, right? Yes. It is used for cooking purpose. It is acetic acid. Vinegar is acetic acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Vinegar contains acetic acid. Okay. Lot of substances we eat also contain acids or bases. For example, in the case of curd, tell me which acid is present in curd? Lactic acid. Then spinach, oxalic acid. So, in our daily life, that much importance is for acids and bases. So we want to know what are acids, what are bases, and what are their characteristic properties. Okay? So we can learn one by one. First one is acids. The name acid comes from a Latin word which means sour. The meaning of acid which mean sour. Okay, sour means its taste. Its taste is sour. Okay, you know lemon and oranges, right? Yes, which are sour in taste. What are the characteristic properties of acids? First one is acids are sour in taste. And it produces hydrogen ions. Okay, it produces hydrogen ions in solution. It turns blue litmus to red litmus. It turns blue litmus to red litmus. Then acid rain, which is corrosive in nature. Acid rain, which is corrosive in nature. pH is less than 7. Okay, pH is less than 7. These are the common properties of acids. Got it? First one is they are sour in taste. They produces hydrogen ions. They turns blue litmus to red. And pH is less than 7. Fourth point is not needed, children. Okay, 4 points. Okay, sour in taste, produces hydrogen ions. They turns blue litmus to red and the pH is less than 7. Then examples of acid. Okay. Vinegar. Vinegar contains which acid, children? Acetic acid. Lemon contains citric acid. Orange juice contains citric acid. Curd contains, tell me, lactic acid. Okay. So these are sour in taste, right? Yes, so these are examples of acids. Okay. These all contains acids. Okay. I didn't say correct way of detection of acids by taste. Why? Not possible to define a substance by taste, right? Yes, because some substances are extremely harmful by consumed. So we can't say whether a substance is acid by tasting. Commonly we can say acids are sour in taste. Okay, sour in taste. curd, lemon juice, orange juice, and vinegar. Taste sour. These substances are taste sour because they contain acids. The chemical nature of such substances are acidic in nature. Okay, the word acid comes from a Latin word acere, which means sour. The acids in these substances are natural acids. Got it? Here there are some examples of name of acids and which that acid found in. Okay, first one is hydrochloric acid. Okay, hydrochloric acid found in our stomach. Okay, hydrochloric acid found in our stomach. Then sulfuric acid. Car batteries, you know, in car batteries we are using an acid, right? Yes, that acid is sulfuric acid. Then nitric acid. Nitric acid used in explosive. Acetic acid, vinegar. Carbonic acid, soft drinks such as sodas. Okay, Sprite, everything they are using carbonic acid. Then phosphoric acid as flavoring agents. Okay, formic acid and stink. And stink contains formic acid. Citric acid, lemon, orange, everything contain citric acid. Next is lactic acid, curd. Okay, curd contains lactic acid. And then next one is oxalic acid. Spinach contains oxalic acid. Ascorbic acid, amla, citrus fruits also contain ascorbic acid. Then about tartaric acid, tamarind, grapes, okay, and ripened mangoes which contains tartaric acid. These are some names of acids, for examples for acids. Okay, next is bases. What are bases? Bases are bitter to taste. Bases are bitter to taste. Then they are soapy to touch. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. If that base is water soluble, we call it as alkali. Got it? Yes, it turns red litmus to blue. pH is greater than 7. About pH you will be learned in 10th standard. Okay. What are the common properties of bases? Bases are bitter to taste, soapy to touch. Water soluble bases are called alkalis. They turns red litmus to blue and the pH is greater than 7. Now let us learn what are some examples of bases. Okay. Detergents contains bases, baking soda, drain cleaner, antacid. Okay. Everything contains bases. Ammonia soap, lime water. Lime water also contains bases. Okay. Milk of magnesia. Everything contains bases. Okay. Lime water. Lime water has basic in nature. Lime, which contains citric acid, right? Lemon. But in the case of lime water, it is basic in nature. Here, baking soda tastes sour? No. What is its taste? It does not taste sour. It means that it has no acid in it. It is bitter in taste. If you rub the solution between the fingers, it feels soapy on touching, are known as bases. The nature of such substances is acid A to be basic. Okay, if it is soapy in nature, so we can call it as base. Next is names of some bases. Okay, sodium hydroxide, which sodium hydroxide is an example for base. Okay, it contains soaps, drain cleaner, etc. Magnesium hydroxide. We are using that antacid, right? Which contains magnesium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide is present in lime water. Okay, ammonium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, and ammonium hydroxide. Got it? These are some examples of bases. Weak bases. Examples for weak bases and strong bases. Here, potassium carbonate is an example for weak base. Sodium carbonate is an example for weak base. And ammonia also an example for weak base. Okay, then it is strong bases. Sodium hydroxide, sodium phosphate, barium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. These are examples for strong bases.